Hello, everybody. Welcome to Block Bytes. This is the start of the week, and it is the time for technical analysis with our favorite technical analyst and guru, Vicky Cryptorius. Welcome, Vicky.
Thank you, sir. That's a lot of introduction, sir.
All right, take it away, Vicky.
Yes, sir. So it is like last week we discussed also that I was telling you how Bitcoin would be moving up to this box,
Correct.
this shaded box in here, and it's right now happening.
Correct.
See clearly here, it is trying to push towards it box here. So that is the actual area of resistance. And if you look at it, you can see the three moving averages that I've taken. That is a 50-day, 100-day, 200-day moving averages, and the 12-week EMA. They all collude here.
Right.
And you can clearly see right now it is retesting. It's a bearish retest. That is, it broke down here, and it's now trying to retest that back. So I think that we still probably push it to around 28.5K.
In that range, yeah.
Or at least 28, or at least 28. So this satisfies this box. Anywhere in this box is a clear rejection left. And I think it will happen this week itself.
Okay.
So yeah, it will probably happen this week itself. And as you can see, it got rejected here last time. Now again, if the price is trying to push it here, it can either like move it here or here, somewhere get to it. And that is the proper bearish retest. Once the projection happens, probably from next week it start going down to the accumulation area below
15 to 18 or something of that sort range. Yeah. Oh yes, there you go. 18 to 21. Yes.
That is the that is like, what is it? It's an extreme this thing. This is extreme. This is an extreme thing actually going up here. But like this is an extreme thing actually. From 28K going to around 20K, it's a big downward push. It may happen, may not happen, but the likely scenario is that somewhere in this region, this particular around 22, 21, 22 region, this is where the first bounce at least will happen. Probably hit here, then consolidate here, before moving to the accumulation zone. I think what we have to note down here is that there is an EIP 484 upgrade that is coming up on Ethereum.
Right. For Ethereum.
So that probably is going to happen in Q4 2023. Date has not been announced yet.
Correct. That is why.
So,
yeah.
So so definitely my assumption is that BTC will probably, if it goes down here, no, BTC will probably be underperforming compared to Ethereum. Till the upgrade is completed. So this probably 28K is probably the what is it? The last pump that will happen. And then probably BTC is in this region. If probably bounce here or the 22, 23 region. Ultimately end up in the accumulation zone only before the halving.
Right. So it is going according to what you had said in the previous video.
Yes. It is according to last time I told that we retest the box here. And the confluence of these three lines, and this is exactly happening right now.
Correct.
In fact, last week we got a bounce. It tested the range lows. There is support here. The total line effort measure. It tested that line and then it takes it down. So eventually, this is where people short. Actually, the smart money will short here. Whether it's going here or going here, it depends upon a lot of factors, especially the news that is going to come up next.
Right. So that is what I was going to ask, Vicky. Now, what are the news events that you are particularly looking at? You've mentioned EIP. Is there any other news that you have? You have your radar pointed at, which will help you decide?
In the short term, it is definitely the Fed meeting, that is upcoming Fed meeting coming up on 20th.
Right.
So that is one closest even that I'm close to watching actually. Probably there will be no rate hike, also no rate cut. So the costs is what everyone is expecting. I'm also expecting the same. But nevertheless, I think everything is already priced in kind of. And like I told last week, the spot demand is still low.
Correct.
That's still low. There's no change.
Still low. Yeah. Okay.
So that is it. The entire this push is not because people buying Bitcoin, but rather people open the shorts at this region.
Right. Short squeeze, as you explained last
Short
time.
squeeze, yes, exactly. So that is the reason why the prices right now is moving. Wants to make these people either get liquidated or close their position.
Interesting.
And going to the Ethereum chart, I think the Ethereum chart right now would be what is it? Would be a lot interesting to infer. Why I'm saying is because you see here the BTC chart, it has clearly retested this box.
Mm-hmm.
It has not happened yet for Ethereum. This circle, whatever I put there.
Yeah.
So I think I am sure that this is lagging. The Ethereum is lagging with respect to BTC.
Correct. And it makes sense, right? Everything is
Yes.
lagging with respect to BTC. And
yes. And the last time it happened, I think this was the week. This was this week actually. What happened was BTC Bitcoin actually pumped in first. So what happens. This is the weekend. This is talking about. If you look at here now,
yeah.
on 10th of April, what happened on this I think this particular action is kind of getting repeated. If you look at what happened on 10th of April, BTC pumped.
Mm-hmm.
And it, what is it? On the next few days, it kind of consolidated here or distributed here. People rates distributed here, and the price started coming down.
Okay.
If you look at Ethereum on the same week, that is on 10th of April, at that time around. Look at Ethereum. What happened to Ethereum?
Okay.
Yep. On 10th of April. So 10th of April, Ethereum didn't pump actually, didn't quite catch up with Bitcoin's pump. If you look at Bitcoin, what happened here was this huge candle.
Correct.
But Ethereum didn't happen for Ethereum.
Mm.
What Ethereum did was it took it one time and then pumped 2 to 3 days later. Coincidence here is on Thursday and Friday pump. Now I think the same thing I could repeat it. I'm not sure. This is not like what is it? Something that will definitely happen, but that's highly likely to happen. Wednesday we have a Fed meeting actually, so that meeting will probably decide. And probably after the meeting is over, Thursday or probably Friday, Ethereum could outperform BTC.
Yeah, because of the upgrade, as you explained earlier, or the
not really because of the upgrades. Not really because of the upgrade. It's just a matter of price action.
Oh, okay. So you're saying it'll go down because it's the leading indicator, and
Ethereum will actually what will happen? It's like what I'm saying. One second. Yeah. So what I'm saying is that this will probably reach this point, this confluence here,
right,
or this circle here. Either of these two things will definitely reach. Not because of EAP upgrade. It's just a matter of Ethereum catching up to BTC.
Correct. I see.
There's one more chart called Ethereum BTC, which I will tell you probably next week in the video when Ethereum probably would be here at this point. I'll be telling you the rationale for me telling why Ethereum will pump compared to BTC this week.
Okay.
I mean, why Ethereum will catch up with BTC. That's the rationale I will tell you next week in the video. But for now, based on the chart also, I'm saying that Ethereum will catch up with BTC.
Correct.
And it's a matter of price action.
So, I mean,
what happens next is what I'm going to tell you. Once this retest is done, probably around the circle or somewhere above this confluence, definitely along with BTC, both are going to get rejected and then both are going to go down. And like I mentioned last week, this is the accumulation zone.
Got it. Yep. For Ethereum, that's the accumulation, right?
Yes. An interesting thing here is this was the last year, no, sir?
Mm-hmm.
The month of June or July. This month, here, I'm telling you, this area. This is where the Ethereum merge upgrade was announced. The date was announced here. So after the Ethereum merge date was upgraded here, announced here, Ethereum, what it did? It actually quite literally the price doubled.
Almost, yeah, exactly.
Yes, doubled. Thing was, it was what is it? It peaked before the merge upgrade. The merge upgrade was here in the month of September. We last in the news event also we discussed now.
15th September.
So merge event was here. You could see that it peaked before the merge.
Mm-hmm.
So I think that will happen here also. What I'm expecting is that after it's the accumulation zone here, after the Ethereum it's the accumulation zone here, or maybe here also in extreme cases here also,
right
below this box, that this it will again push to this region. This is called golden pocket.
Okay.
So it will probably push to this region, but this will happen at least 15 to 30 days before the upgrade is executed. Like here it happened. What I'm trying to say here is this dump is a what is it? It will definitely happen. Why? Because if you see here, Ethereum kind of crashed here before the upgrade, making people fear here. It caused panic. People wouldn't have bought this region. Why? Because they would have thought Ethereum is going to go down. But the whales or the smart money would have thought, no, we have other ideas. There is an upgrade coming.
Correct.
So we will buy this region. That's why you can see there's a lot of buying activities.
Correct. So essentially, a smaller version of the same pattern could repeat here.
Yes. Here there will be a lot of fear. If it pushes even down in this region, there will be a lot of fear here. People will be thinking Ethereum is going to go down below 1,000.
Right.
So that is not going to happen. It is what is it? Just a psychological game.
Right.
And probably retail will be staying away from buying it. But the smart money definitely accumulate before the upgrade.
Correct.
Price will come to this region. This testing will happen before the execution will come.
Correct. Just like merge. Okay.
Just like merge.
Correct. Interesting. Very interesting times. All right then. So thanks a lot once again, Vicky, for your insights. And we will see you next week with the latest on the technical analysis side.
Yes, sir.
Again, see you later. Bye-bye.
Bye.